Ja reggae music for the everything. I keep us on the reggae music from Jamaica, the Rastafari, the Rastico. You destroy my empire things. You destroy my empire things. What do you think? What do you think? I'm struggling to get it things. I'm struggling to get it things. You try to destroy my life. You try to destroy my life. You try to destroy my life. Every day you come outside to pretend to love me. Every day you come to me to pretend to love me. What is going on about your life? What is going on about it wrong? You destroy my empire things. You destroy my empire things. Africa, Africa. You think about I don't know the things doing. You think about the things I don't know the things doing. Every day I'm trying to struggle to get my things. I'm trying to struggle to get my things. You pretend to love me. You pretend to love me. They destroy my empire things. To destroy my empire things. Africa, 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 the people to do the wicked things. Africans to think about things. Africans to think about the wrong things. Yes. That's the truth of the truth. The reggae music from Jamaica. Yes, Sunday. Every day. Yes, sorry. Every day. I saw the many people to suffer. I saw the many people to suffer. Why? Why? You pretend to love me. I know you before. Every day you come to me to pretend to love me. Every day you give me advice to break my things. You can destroy my empire things. You can destroy my empire things. You pretend to love me. You pretend to love me. Africa, African peoples. African peoples. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.